Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need access now. Sign into your account and go straight to security or two-factor settings. Generate backup codes and save them offline. Print one copy and place one on a secure USB. This prevents lockout if your phone fails. Make sure your primary authenticator device, alternate phone number, and recovery email are accurate because these entries are used for verification. Once done, keep one copy of codes physically separate from your devices so you can recover without the phone. Now reconfigure the authenticator. Remove any entries tied to lost devices to avoid confusion, then install a trusted authenticator app and add your account by scanning the QR or entering the manual key. You do this so future codes match the server's secret. Mismatched secrets are the most common cause of failures. Add a secondary verification method like SMS or a hardware security key to provide redundancy. Make sure the app and server times are synced so codes validate correctly. Finish by testing a complete login using the new authenticator and one backup code. Confirm you can sign out and back in. Save recovery options in a password manager plus a secure physical location so you have two independent recovery paths. If something goes wrong, start by checking the device clock and resyncing the authenticator. Time drift causes most failures, then try a backup code or your recovery email. If those fail, contact account support with proof of identity and explain you lost two-factor access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.